This video I show you how to fix Google Chrome or Snap something went wrong while displaying the web page. Error code status stack buffer overrun problem. For fixing this problem, open Google Chrome browser, then click on three dot on right corner, scroll down, then click on settings, then click on privacy and security, then click on delete browsing data, click on it, then click on more, all time, then delete data, scroll down, then click on see all site data and permission, then click on delete all data, delete. If this method not working, then try the second method. Click on reset settings, then go to reset settings. Now I hope that this method fixes your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.